going?
Oh. I didn't even know.
Where'd Beige go?
Moving a truck. Stupid
Oh.
idiot truck. Look at that. What does she have? What is that? You see them, right? You see the cuts on top though? Oh, there.
Oh, it's just that right there?
Yeah, it's just this, but you gotta cut this.
Turn your
Use
wheel.
one scissors or one razor. Just cut a little bit of plastic off and then we just bash them out
Turn
this
your wheel.
way. So
Turn
we
it on.
might just have to take off the tire.
Okay, then we'll take it off.
Just
Bobby said he'll take it off.
the tire. No. I'm just telling you guys what you guys have to do. I'm not gonna do any of it.
Oh, good job.
Oh, girls that wipe down cars.
Beta, we have to do this so we can work on that car.
I'm doing it.
Hurry up.
How do I check it?
If it's loose.
All right, go ahead, guys. My disco pants are in the house.
What are those?
It's her lumberjack disco pants.
If only Bailey was here so he could see how to take off the tire. Am I right, guys?
Yeah, no. Then roll it away.
Oh my gosh, that was so easy.
Stupid.
Brad, come here, come here. It's almost as tall as you, Brad.
It's almost as big as your nose.
You guys, Brad, that's the only joke you can make.
The only obvious one. You're just trying to cut off enough to see this pinch weld come all the way up. 'Cause it probably ends right here.
Me and Bradley would have been done with this whole thing. The tire would have been on by now.
Blaine! You want to do this then?
No, I'm trying.
We
but
want to
you're-
work on that.
I want to run that too. And that's on period.
Yeah, you want to.
Oh, it's just that bottom pinch weld. We
just
really
the
didn't
bottom.
need to cut it.
Blaine, I swear. Just tell me that one more time.
Bradley said
But-
cut it up at the top.
Just flatten it. So you want to hit it on the. Oh, what do you think is better? Should she hit it in or out?
Fold it in.
Let's see if this chicken leg is strong enough. You're not even close to the hub yet. You have to lift it up way higher than that. That's what you're doing.
I got it.
Oh, she got it. I helped her.
No, you didn't. You remind me of Dad sometimes. Oh.
Stop that junk laugh.
Beija's the kind of person that takes her keys out of the car when we work on top of the car.
It's in the kitchen counter.
Like, if you're working on it, keep it inside.
Who are you? Go get it! Bailey and Beja are not related to us.
Oh, we're gonna have to take the sledgehammer and pound that bottom part. Exactly. How did you do that?
Like the Sugi, you dig along.
Oh, frick. I was came. Yeah, because I don't want to swing full force because I don't know where it's gonna hit. Where'd my oh? Found it.
The people where your feet is gonna be all over. That would be so funny.
The guy like your feet is straight out. The other foot is like
Come on, Blaine. It should have been on already. I got it. Hold on. You can stop recording.
Beja doesn't know how to reverse out of driveways.
You can turn a lot more, yeah?
It is the one.
Yeah, so much.
That sucks.
One of them is that's good enough.
Yeah, that's good enough. That's all we need.
Yeah, just pour it all over my feet. That's okay.
So these tail lights have condensation in them. They're just the ones off Amazon. So we're trying to figure out where the leak is so that way we can seal everything up.
Yeah, see? Look.
I like how I came out here at first and then Dane pushed my car back inside the garage. I worked out at a car.
What you think talking about?
You can run to Home Depot or Lowe's right after that and grab the sheet metal. What is it called?
Which one?
You know, like lingerie, where they put the mesh on the top. It's not called lingerie, but it's that like fishnet type material.
I know what you're talking about, but it looks sick. It's like that scales kind of thing.
Let me see.
What about
For the top part. You can put Lambo doors. Hot girl status.
Show them all the 100 HPs we got.
Show all of them.
Show them all.
Don't hide any HPs.
Yeah, the fade like over here would be super cool.
Yeah, you lay the lace on top here. I was supposed to take this off. How do I take this off? Because it's gonna be in the whole video. Can you guys edit it?
So we're gonna go ahead and try see if we can mess with this fitment over here because it sticks out a little bit too much. It has a 2-inch spacer and the rear has a 1.5-inch spacer. So we're gonna try and see.
You guys
if
are
that
gonna
looks a
swap
lot
the
better.
spacer.
No, because the internet said that the front is too wide.
We're gonna see how correct the internet is then, yeah?
No, we're actually gonna do it because I'm gonna end up building.
Makes sense.
We're gonna build up the flare more. So we're gonna continue this down, and then I'm gonna build the lip. So yeah, it does need to be pushed in more, but it's not dialed in yet. So of course it looks stupid.
Yeah, it's still in progress.
We're also
I don't.
stupid.
Yeah, we're also stupid. I don't care. Fight me, bro.
If you guys don't know, not right now.
That's priority. Nah.
I was gonna say the front of this car is a lot wider than the rear, but not at the moment. But it usually is wider than the rear of this car.
Yeah, and
So that's like the drift stance. You know?
yeah, because you have to have the grip.
If you guys don't know, this isn't gonna be a drift car, at least not at the moment. It's gonna be a cruiser. So a couple of you guys who want the car to be like on the road and sliding, like, we get it, but that's the slider, this is the cruiser, you know? Just so you guys. Get it.
Don't tell him what to do when he's gonna do it.
Don't tell me. Just leave it ready.
I put them on.
Yeah. That's why it's hard to take off. Yeah, usually when it's stripped, it is harder to take off.
Sometimes I forget how strong I am.
What kind of color? Oh, you guys have Fortune Autos.
This is my Fortune Autos from my car.
Yeah. I think you still have Koki side skirts at Brent's house if he didn't get rid of it. I wasn't even gonna tell you that I remembered it because I was gonna get a 14 and I was just gonna run it.
Can you put the bumper on?
The bumper on?
Yeah. We got lug nuts.
Yay!
They're supposed to sound cooler, they're not, but they're pink.
I guess the pink matches with the primer, yeah.
You have the jack under the car, you crazy.
Bruh, I was like, that's a junk, bruh.
Yeah, and then it sits on the top.
Is the wheel straight? Or is it just because the fender was like that?
Or the other side looks like it has way more camber than this.
Check.
Yeah, we'll run this size, and then if we need to, we'll just run a smaller sidewall tire.
It's because of your fender, I think. You can tell because of the way it is. Yeah.
So these coilovers are notched, so I just went ahead and added a little bit more camber so we can see if it looks a little bit better. I think it has like this much to come down. So I think I like it better with more camber. It looks just a little bit more aggressive. So I tried to move the car the other day so we can fit the Z back in the garage because it was sitting outside and I freaking messed up this whole flare. So I turned it too much, and because the caster is so forward, it warped this whole thing. So Blaine tried to pound it out and get it as even as possible. So we're gonna need to body work this again, but we're gonna go ahead and get a sheet metal so that way we can extend the flare and make it go all the way down. And then we're gonna try to somehow create a little lip, because we feel like the stance that we want, we're not gonna achieve it with this flare because the lip is so small. I really want it to be in between the tire and the lip, like that, kind of like how the Z is. So hopefully just adding a little lip, it can sit right here. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so down below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.